Hello, everyone, and welcome back to Daily English Practice. I'm John, and I'm very happy to be here with you today.
Hello, everyone. I'm Mary. Thank you for joining us again. We're really glad you're here.
Today, we have a very fun and relaxing topic,
Yes, a topic everyone loves.
talking about holiday.
John, before we start, let me ask you something. How are you feeling today?
I'm feeling good, a little tired, but happy,
Why tired?
because I was thinking about my last holiday last night. I stayed up late looking at my photos.
Oh, that sounds nice.
Hello, everyone, and welcome back to Daily English Practice. I'm John, and I'm very happy to be here with you today.
Hello, everyone. I'm Mary. Thank you for joining us again. We're really glad you're here.
Today, we have a very fun and relaxing topic,
Yes, a topic everyone loves.
talking about holiday.
John, before we start, let me ask you something. How are you feeling today?
I'm feeling good, a little tired, but happy,
Why tired?
because I was thinking about my last holiday last night. I stayed up late looking at my photos.
Oh, that sounds nice. Thinking about holidays always makes me smile.
Me too. Holidays are special. They help us rest and feel happy again.
Exactly. And today, we will help our listeners talk about holidays in simple English.
In this episode, you will learn how to talk about your holiday, easy holiday words, simple questions and answers, how native speakers talk about holidays.
And don't worry, we will use easy English. Slow, clear, and friendly.
Perfect for beginners.
John, let's start with a simple question. What is a holiday?
A holiday is a time when we stop working or studying. We rest, we travel, we enjoy our time.
Yes, a holiday is a break from daily life.
For example, summer holiday, winter holiday, national holiday, religious holiday.
Good examples. Now, let's practice a very simple sentence.
Repeat after me, everyone. I am on holiday.
Good. Now try this one. I like holidays. When people talk about holidays, they often ask simple questions.
Like this one. Where did you go on holiday?
Or, did you enjoy your holiday?
Very common question. How was your holiday?
Let's practice answering that.
If your holiday was good, you can say, it was good. It was very nice. It was relaxing.
If it was not very good, you can say, it was okay. It was short. It was busy.
No long sentences needed.
Simple English is good English.
John, where did you go on your last holiday?
I went to the beach.
That's a great answer. Short and clear. Yes, I went to the beach.
Other examples, I went to my hometown. I went to another country. I stayed at home.
Staying at home is also a holiday.
Yes, that's called a staycation.
Let's talk about places.
You can say beach, mountain, city, village, hotel, home.
Repeat after me. I went to the beach.
Peak. I stayed in a hotel. Another common question is, how long was your holiday?
Simple answers. 2 days. 1 week. 10 days.
You can also say, it was short. It was long.
People love talking about food.
Yes, food is a big part of holidays.
You can say, I ate local food. The food was delicious. I tried new food.
Very simple and natural. What did you do on your holiday, John?
I relaxed. I swam. I took photos.
Great examples.
Other easy activities. Walked, slept, shopped, visited family, watched movies.
You don't need difficult words.
Now it's your turn.
Answer in your head or out loud.
Where did you go on holiday?
How long was your holiday?
What did you do?
Good job. You are already practicing English.
John, how did you feel during your holiday? I felt happy and relaxed.
Easy feeling words: happy, relaxed, excited, tired.
Example sentence. I felt relaxed.
John, do you think holidays are important?
Yes, very important.
Why?
Because holidays help us rest our mind. They reduce stress.
I agree. After a holiday, I feel fresh.
Me too. Here is an important tip.
Don't try to speak perfect English.
Speak simple English.
Short sentences are okay.
Mistakes are okay. Now we will go deeper, but still simple, still friendly, still easy.
John, let me ask you a new question. Are you planning a holiday soon?
Yes, I am.
Oh, really? Where do you want to go?
I want to go to the mountains.
That sounds nice and peaceful.
Yes, I want fresh air and quiet time.
Listeners, here are some easy sentences you can use. I plan to go to the beach. I want to travel next month. I will visit my family. I will stay at home.
Repeat after me. I plan to travel.
I plan to go on holiday. When will you go on your holiday, John?
I will go next month.
Great. You can also say next week, next year, in summer, in December.
Very easy time words.
Let's talk about packing.
Yes, before a holiday, we pack our bags.
John, what do you pack?
I pack clothes, shoes, my phone, a charger.
I also pack a toothbrush, a book, my passport.
You can say, I pack my clothes. I pack my bag. I pack my shoes.
Repeat. I pack my bag for my holiday.
John, how do you travel on holiday?
Sometimes by car, sometimes by bus, sometimes by plane.
Great. Listeners, you can say, I travel by bus. I travel by car. I travel by plane.
Very easy.
John, do you like staying in hotels?
Yes, I do. Mary, why?
Because hotels are comfortable.
Good word. Comfortable.
You can also stay at home, with family, with friends, in a guest house.
Simple sentence. I stayed with my family.
John, what food do you like to eat on holiday?
I like to try new food.
Me too.
For example, local food, street food, traditional food.
Easy sentences. The food was good. I liked the food. The food was delicious.
Do you take photos on holiday?
Yes, I take many photos.
Me too. Photos help us remember happy times.
Simple sentence. I took many photos.
John, do you go on holiday with your family?
Yes, I do.
How is it?
It is fun and warm.
Good words. Fun, warm, happy, together.
You can say, I went on holiday with my family.
Some people travel with friends.
Yes, that is also fun.
Easy sentence. I traveled with my friends.
John, what do you like to do to relax? I like to sleep. I like to walk. I like to listen to music.
Nice and simple. Sometimes holidays are not about travel.
Yes, sometimes we stay home.
And we watch movies, drink tea, rest.
That is also a perfect holiday.
Now let's act a short dialogue. Hi, John. How was your holiday?
It was great.
Where did you go?
I went to the beach.
What did you do?
I swam and relaxed.
Sounds nice.
Now you try.
Not every holiday is perfect.
Sometimes we have problems.
For example, lost bag, bad weather, late bus.
Easy sentence. The weather was bad. Easy sentence. My bag was lost. John, how was the weather on your last holiday?
It was sunny.
Great. Other easy words: sunny, rainy, cloudy, hot, cold. Sentence. The weather was sunny. John, why do people love holidays?
Because holidays make us happy
And relaxed.
and closer to family.
Yes, holidays bring people together. Here is today's English tip. When you talk about holidays, don't try to say everything.
Say just one thing at a time.
Simple is better than perfect. Now we will talk about dream holidays, practice longer conversations, build confidence, end with a big review.
John, let me ask you something fun. If you can go anywhere in the world, where do you want to go?
I want to go to Japan
Oh, that is wonderful. Why Japan?
because I like the culture, I like the food, and I like the people.
That is a great answer. Listeners, you can say, my dream holiday is in Italy. I want to visit France. I want to travel to Kenya. I want to see the world.
Repeat after me. My dream holiday is...
John, do you remember your first holiday?
Yes, I do.
Tell us about it.
I went with my family. We went to a small town. We stayed for 3 days. I was very happy.
That is a lovely memory. When you talk about a holiday, you can follow this order: where you went, who you went with, what you did, how you felt.
Simple and clear.
Hi, John. Did you go on holiday last year?
Yes, I did.
Where did you go?
I went to the countryside.
Who did you go with?
I went with my sister.
What did you do there?
We walked in nature. We cooked food. We talked and laughed.
How did you feel?
I felt relaxed and happy.
That sounds like a perfect holiday.
Now it's your turn.
Pause the video if you need.
And answer these questions. Where did you go? Who did you go with? What did you do? How did you feel?
You don't need big words. Small words are perfect. John, what is the funniest thing that happened on your holiday?
Oh, one time I lost my hat in the wind,
Oh no!
but a kind man found it and gave it back to me.
That is very nice. You can say, it was funny. I laughed a lot. It was a happy moment. Holidays are also for rest.
Yes, rest is very important.
On holiday, I like to sleep more, wake up late, drink tea, read books.
That sounds peaceful.
Not every holiday is far away.
Yes, some holidays are at home.
We call this a staycation.
Stay, vacation.
Yes, a holiday at home. You can say, I stayed at home. I rested at home. I had a quiet holiday.
Do you buy gifts on holiday? Yes, I do.
Who do you buy gifts for?
For my family and friends.
That is kind.
You can say, I bought gifts. I bought a shirt. I bought souvenirs.
John, do you use English when you travel?
Yes, I do.
Where?
At the airport, at the hotel, at the restaurant.
Great practice. Here are very easy travel sentences. Hello, thank you, please, I need help, where is the hotel?
These small words are very powerful.
John, many learners feel shy,
Yes, they feel afraid to speak.
but we want to tell you something important.
You don't need perfect English.
You only need brave English.
Try.
Speak.
Smile.
Holidays help us learn English.
Because we talk to new people.
We hear new words.
We practice real English.
Let's review everything with one big dialogue. Hi, John. How was your holiday?
It was very good.
Where did you go?
I went to the mountains.
Who did you go with?
I went with my family.
What did you do there?
We walked, cooked food, and relaxed.
How did you feel?
I felt happy and peaceful.
Would you like to go again?
Yes, I would love to go again.
Thank you for listening to Talking About Holiday.
We hope you enjoyed this lesson.
If you liked it,
Please like the video
share it with your friends.
and subscribe to
Daily English Practice.